Hi, my name is Han,
My name is Peter.
and we're going to talk about Blue Indus product that we sell at the Be Healthy today. So, Peter, can you tell us a little bit more about Blue Industry?
So Blue Industry is a manufacturing company in Korea. They primarily deal with personal protection equipment, such as these masks, as well as they produce safety helmets, as well as hazard suits and other products in that line of protection equipment.
If I am correct also, that their company is like 70% community supporting employees. Well, I mean by like minorities, like social minorities, the company actually support them. Is that also true?
Yes, so one of the key values for Blue Industry is to have a harmonious workplace. So they make it a goal to hire disabled as well as social minorities to better their community, to have a more harmonious work environment.
So that's great. So they're like the eco-friendly as well as community-friendly company.
They're constantly striving to have a better production, keep a safe environment in their factories, and just trying to give as much as they can to the community as well.
That's great. At the times like this, those kind of companies, that's what we need. Generally, a lot of companies out there, they start off well, and then towards as they grow, they usually forget how they, started it. But I think the Blue Industry got the right principle and is continuing to strive in such direction. So I think that's really great that the company is actually doing that.
Yeah, Be Healthy's been doing business with Blue Industry, and we've had these lines of KF94 masks for it's one of our oldest lines. So we're proud to be partnered with them.
So let's cut to the chase, and let's go with what we have at the Be Healthy, that is Blue Industry products. So right now what we have right here is all the KF94 masks from the Blue Industry that we carry at Be Healthy. So Peter, can you tell us a little bit more about the mask itself?
So there are two types of masks. There's the 3D line of masks, which is what I'm wearing, and then there's the 2D type, which is what you're wearing. So all these masks, they're KF94, which means that they are certified by the Korean Ministry for Food and Drug Safety to have at least 94% filtration. And as you can see, they are also FDA registered as well as CE certified, and they also have a FFP2 rating certification, which is for the European market.
Since you're wearing the white one, can I actually take a look at the black version of it? So this is the KF94, the Blue Industry Mask 3D in black. I really like the packaging. So this packaging is very simple. It's just white and black.
Very, very minimalistic.
Yeah, it's very modernistic as well. When I see stuff, anything, to be honest, I really like to see it simple and modernistic. And there's an acronym for it, which is KISS. Not the kiss, but the acronym itself stands for Keep It Simple and Stupid. It's really simple. All you need to know about the mask is right here. So the title is Blue Mask 3D in black, and it just got KF94 certifications, everything written down, and also the sizing. It says RARGE. They made a typo, huh?
So yeah, for the black mask, unfortunately, they did make a typo on the packaging, which is they misspelled large with an R. They're going to be fixing that in the next batch of masks that they produce, but unfortunately, that might not be for a while, since they did make close to, I believe they told us 100,000 masks.
Okay, 100,000 large. But it's large, right?
Yeah,
it's
so it's large. They just misspelled it, unfortunately, but it's still a quality mask, so we kind of just have to forgive them on the
Okay.
small typo.
As long as it works fine, there's no problem for me. I kind of want to try this one on. Is it okay if I try this one on, Peter? Okay.
Go ahead.
So what we have is the actual mask of BLUE KF94 3D mask in black. As you can see, it's 3D, it's vertical opening. So I'm gonna try them on and see how I feel about it to the viewers. So as you can see, you just, easy application. You just open it up and then, put the ear loop around your ears and then just mold it so that, the nose piece is kind of molded into your shape. Now, what I really like about this mask in comparison to other 3D masks, Peter, the bottom flap is really long. So it kind of follows through the seam of my chin and to the neck while providing adhesion. So it's kind of like providing me with an extra protections of sealing. And since right now, obviously I'm talking right now, but as you can see, the mask is not really moving. That means, the mask itself it's tightly sealed. And there's not much of stress on my ears as well. So this is good. The mouth is not also touching the mask itself, so I don't have to worry about contaminations. Overall, this is really nice. Their nose piece is really flexible and it's very sturdy.
So for the 3D type of mask, there's the large size, which is in white as well as in black. And then there's also a smaller size for the children. As you can see, the packaging has a cute little tiger mascot on it. You can compare the two sizes. So I'm currently wearing a large and this is a small. It definitely will not fit me since I have a big face. So mostly it's meant for children.
It's also 3D, so I guess it will definitely fit kids. It will not fit us. But it's good that they came up with 3D style for the kids as well. I really like the packaging. It's the cute tiger is screaming, saying, wear the mask. So far it's great. Can you explain to me about the various 2D masks that's lying out here?
So the next style that they have is the 2D style mask, which is the clam-shaped one. There's not really a difference between the 2D and the 3D except for the shape. Some people prefer using the 2D shape. They are much easier to wear. So there's the white large as well as a black large. So for the black large for the Blue Industry, this is what the older package was, and now this is the newer package. As you can see, the packaging for the white and the black are very similar. I guess they decided to save money on, instead of printing out a new one, they probably just decided to print the same packaging for both and just have a little window where you can see which color the mask is right here.
They realize that now. They realize, oh wow, we're using a lot of ink. We should have used that ink for something else, like manufacturing more masks for the public. It's a smart move, finally.
Finally, the 2D mask that they have is the one for children. So for the children, the 2D style is usually much easier to wear since all you really have to do is just open it up and put it on. And there's not much adjustments that the child has to do to make it fit compared to the 3D mask where you have to make sure that it's tucked in under your chin as well as molded around your nose.
Since I'm wearing a 2D mask, it seems all the 2D masks are obviously the same style-wise. Maybe I should give it a shot, on the small size. I think
you do have a smaller face, so maybe the 2D small will fit you, but it might be small. You can try it.
You'd be surprised. I think I'm hiding a lot of sizing secrets, but it may fit me. If it does, who knows? So right now, what we have is a small KF94 BLUE INDUS 2D mask. I'm going to try them on. It's pretty simple. It's a vertical opening. There's not much to really explain other than just showing it. So I'll just put it on.
Yeah,
And
so
let's see.
for children, it's much easier to wear than a 3D mask. All you do is just kind of open it up and put the ear loops on your ear. It surprisingly fits you well. Your chin is kind of popping out, but obviously it's a child mask, so it is going to be small on an adult face.
I think I have a child's face. It's definitely giving me a protection, that's for sure. But since it's a kid size, obviously it's giving me a little stress on the ear part. So I wouldn't recommend, anybody with like an adult to wear the mask, because
yeah. So the mask is meant for 3 to 8-year-olds, and then sometimes it might be too big. So you can always request mask buckles when you're ordering from us, so that you can get the mask to be tighter.
Okay, all right. The buckle is a key thing for a kid, I think. Not every kid has the same facial size too, so some kids, like my son, has a smaller face, so he needs a buckle. But so far, this product is very comfortable, even though it's a small size. It's actually giving me a protection, so long as I don't talk, obviously. But since I'm talking, for the adults, it's kind of, moving the mask a little bit up. So, yeah, I'm gonna take this off because I look kind of weird with the small size. So.